So one of the types of inputs that you can actually go ahead and add inside of Jotform is a gauge input widget. So to go ahead and do that, you can click on add element, and then under widget, you can go ahead and type in gauge right here. And then you got the gauge input option right here. Simply go ahead and click, and then what happens is that you can see like you can go ahead and add in a label. For example, you can go ahead and say add select your rating right here, just like this. You can add the minimum value and maximum value. So let's say the maximum is going to be out of 20 right here, just like this. You can go ahead and update it. And as you do that and then preview out the form right here, then what happens is that you see the gauge. You can click and drag out to change around the gauge level right here to high or low, and you can see the color change as per the gauge as well right here, just like this, as you go ahead and click and drag it out, as you can see. So that is basically how you can go ahead and then utilize the gauge input widget inside of Jotform for a more, let's say for example, interactive element in your form. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.